Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my next video, and today we will discuss questions and their answers. Physical facilities are necessary and complete for animals, while they are necessary but not complete for humans. Comment or explain how physical facilities are necessary but not complete for humans while they are complete for animals. Or physical facilities are necessary but not complete for human being. Do you agree with this statement? Support your answer with reasons and examples. Physical facilities are necessary and complete for animals, while they are necessary but not complete for humans. It is easy to verify. You can see here a diagram, right understanding in the self. It's divided into two sections: relationship with human beings and physical facility with nature. Relationship complete mutual fulfillment and physical facilities complete prosperity. For human beings necessary but not complete. For animals necessary and complete. For animals need physical things to survive, mainly to take care of their body. For example, cow will look for food when it is hungry. Once it gets the grass or fodder, it eats it, sits around the chew at leisure. Hence, we can say that as long as animals have physical things, they are largely fine. They do not desire other things like knowledge or peaceful animal society or getting a good MBA. For humans, while physical facilities are necessary for human beings, they are not complete by themselves to fulfill our needs. Our needs are more than just physical facilities. We all have other needs, other plans. Perhaps we think of going to a movie or reading a book or go to college or watch some TV or spend some time with family and friends. This list is endless. Thus, it is easy to see that while physical facilities are necessary for us, human beings, they are not complete by themselves to fulfill our needs. Hence, we can say that for animals, physical facilities are necessary and complete. For humans, physical facilities are necessary but not complete. Next question: what are the requirements of fulfill basic human aspirations? Or you can say, what is the program to fulfill the basic human aspirations? Explain. Or explain the basic requirements to fulfill human aspirations. Give the correct priority among them. Or three things are needed in order to fulfill basic human aspirations: right understanding, right relationships, and physical facilities. Explain meaning of each one of these. Answer: our basic aspirations are happiness, mutual fulfillment, and prosperity. Mutual prosperity. Happiness is ensured by the relationships with other human beings, and prosperity is ensured by working on physical facilities. Right understanding. This refers to higher order human skills, the need to learn and utilize our intelligence most effectively. Good relationships. This refers to the interpersonal relationships that a person builds in his or her life, at home, at the workplace, and in the society. Physical facilities. This includes the physiological needs of individuals and indicates the necessities as well as the comforts of life. It means the feeling of having or being able to have more physical facilities than is needed. Like this, right understanding in the self, When we divide it into two sections, relationship with human beings or physical facility with nature, what come mutual fulfillment and prosperity. In order to resolve the issues in human relationships, we need to understand them first. And this would come from right understanding of relationship. Similarly, in order to be prosperous and to enrich nature, we need to have the right understanding. The right understanding will enable us to work out our requirements for physical facilities and hence correctly distinguish the difference between wealth and prosperity. With nature as well, we need to understand the harmony in nature and how we can complement this harmony.